Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be painting my mom's kitchen and dining room. I already started the prep work. I did some spackling and sanding obviously, and then I painted the trim and wiped the walls down. So we are ready for the fun part of rolling the paint onto the wall. So that's the part that I'm going to film because the prep work is boring. So, and I had to get all the way up there, which was a pain in the butt. But now we are ready for the fun, satisfying part of rolling the paint on. So let's get started. I've never used an extension before on a paint roller, so this is going to be a first. Let's give her a go. Where should I start? Right in the middle? No, okay. We're going to start over here. It is currently another day. I did finish painting the kitchen. I just didn't finish filming all of it because I could not get a good camera angle when doing the kitchen side. I didn't film obviously behind the fridge and at the top as you saw. I did go back and do the second layer, so I only recorded the part that looked satisfying to film. So today's video was just supposed to be painting the kitchen and dining room, but my mom ended up buying new kitchen appliances and they're getting installed today. A new fridge, a new microwave, and a new dishwasher to match the stove, so it'll be a black stainless steel. The fridge was leaking water, and the microwave has been on its last life for like a year now, and the dishwasher's broke, so we're just gonna replace all of them.